It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. The weather is warming up. The sun is shining. It's actually a beautiful fall day. I actually want to do a couple more fall Halloween videos. I know I got my Christmas background up, but check it out. I am wearing my Halloween shirt. So we're going back and forth. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yesterday was crazy. Thank you so much to everyone too for pointing out some of the things that I either missed or kind of goofed on, because there was a lot of stuff going on. So I didn't realize Jolly Gingerbread Village was not online. This was in my store though. So lot of kind of product discrepancies from store to online, but we're going to talk about it all. There's a lot happening. The other thing that I did, oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much. Someone pointed out, this is not peppermint hot chocolate. Oh, no, no, no. This is actually peppermint sugar cookie. I goofed that one up. Like, there's a new candle that's not new. It's a repackage, but peppermint hot chocolate and peppermint sugar cookie are two different candles, but they're both beautiful. If you go to my Instagram page, I actually put a picture up of the peppermint hot chocolate, which is absolutely beautiful. So can't wait to get my hands on those. I think we got a candle sale coming up this weekend. Looking like there could be a body care sale. So if you want that holiday body care, hold on. Today we do have a hand cream sale. I'm going to talk about the hand cream. This is a good deal. So here, I'm going to put a screenshot up. By the way, too, I think I missed a couple of screenshots. I hate when I do that. Like, I try to be really organized, and then sometimes things just slip by me. So I got the screenshot up right here for the hand cream sale. $1.95, limit 24, use the code STOCKING online, and then in the store you're going to need the email code. Is this a good deal? Yes, it's a great deal. So, oh wow, this is an older hand cream. Look, $4 on my Mary cookie. Can you believe hand cream used to be $4? Now it's like, what is it now? It's like $8.95. $8.95. So $1.95 is like what is that, like $7 off? It's a good deal. So if you want hand cream for stocking stuffers, it's not too early to start thinking about Christmas gifts. I know. This is what the Bath & Body Works hand cream looks like. I really wish they would redesign their lids. I don't love the lids. Sometimes they're hard to get off. And then if you're in the car or something, you take the lid off. How many times have I dropped this little lid between the seats of my car and then I can't find it? So I do like the formula. It's a pretty thick formula, and it is moisturizing. Gotta say, I like the formula. This is an old one, an old Mary cookie, and it still smells good. These last a while. I've really not seen hand cream go too bad. So I do have a lot of these in a bin. I don't think I have any Christmas ones left. So I'm going to put another screenshot up right here so you can kind of see a couple of the ones that they have. So Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, Champagne Toast, and then we also have Winter Candy Apple, Winterberry Wonder in the purple, Snowflakes and Cashmere, Pure Wonder, Luminous, and then there's some fall ones like Sweet Whiskey, Sunrise Woods. Then they have just the Shea Butter, Coffee and Whiskey, Mimosa Spearmint, the Vampire Blood. This is a good time to pick up some Vampire Blood hand cream, and then you can hand them out like to your friends, coworkers, for Halloween. That's always a fun one. I don't think we got a girlfriend this year in hand cream, did we? I don't remember. But they have the Dry Hand Relief, Wild Sands, Aromatherapy, Black Cherry Merlot, Into the Night. Oh, Strawberry Pound Cake. You know, that's always a good one. Dream Bright's a nice Christmas one. If you're looking for a nice Christmas present that's blingy and pretty. Lavender Vanilla. That is a really good one. So, if you spend $20, you can basically get 10 hand creams, which, like I said, this is when you want to buy the hand cream. Never buy the hand cream unless it's on sale for the single price, or a lot of times we'll get like a free body care product. That's when I get my hand cream. I usually get a free one with the coupon. But like I said, if you're buying in bulk today, get them today at $1.95 and you'll be all set for Christmas. Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys, I got more later today, but I wanted to come on and talk to the sale. Other things happening today. It keeps funny. They keep calling rewards members only the Holiday Classics Discovery Set. I saw it in the store. I don't know if they're like preventing people. If you don't have the app, you can't buy it. I don't know. Buy 3, get 3 on the body care. And then wallflowers are buy 2, get 2 free. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. No candle sale yet. We gotta wait, I think, till later in the week to get a candle sale. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna do some candle reviews. I might do a candle review later. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.